So, sisindihan niya na yung lantern natin, no? Tapos ipapalipad natin. Thank you. So basically, that's the experience here, riding the boat, no, in Hoi An. Then magpapalipad kayo ng lantern. Actually, hindi palipad. Magla-light kayo ng lantern sa river.
Hey buds, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 5 and magbe-breakfast lang muna tayo. So, we're here at the Chaos. I have ordered coffee creme brulee. So, ang hirap basahin, no? Creme brulee? Creme brulee. So, yung coffee creme brulee, try muna natin. Harap. White coffee siya, no? Pero yung taas, caramelized ba? So, try natin guys. Yum. Then may free cookies siya. Let's taste the creme brulee mismo. Yeah. Ano masabi mo?
Sarap pa.
Sausage. Tastes like sausage. Sobrang healthy naman ito. May chip pa.
Wow, balabat.
So, isa potato. Ano to?
Parang mushroom. Parang mushroom.
Mushroom. Bacon here.
Gusto nila ang profit.
Sarap ng bacon.
What for?
By the way, the big breakfast is 150K and the creme brulee coffee is 70K. So, magkano yun? 210, yeah. Nag-isip pa ako yun. Nag-isip pa ako yun. Nag-isip pa ako yun. So, overall, guys, it's a 5 out of 5. So, yun lang. Kain lang tayo and I'll see you again. So, we're here at Go Da Nang. It's a big shopping mall, no? Actually, hindi ko sure kung shopping mall siya, pero mas malaki siya compared dun sa Indochina Mall na pinuntahan natin.
The hunt for pasalubong.
Egg coffee. Ang sarap din na ito, ah. Oo, salted, parang salted ka, ano. Dalawa. Inubos pera sa kape. Ubusin ko pera sa kape. Chocolate. 30K lang.
Wow, nilalang.
Ito din try nyo. Sarap to.
Weh? Oh.
Sarap to. Na-try ko na to eh. Sa ka-work to. Para siyang powdered. Powdered na masarap. We're here at Hoi An, so we will be going to some of the famous spots here in Hoi An. And by the way, pumunta kami dito using transfer, no? And yung transfer, binook lang namin via Facebook. But I highly suggest na mag-clock kayo. It's safer and mas easier. So you can also rent some costume here. to?
Ito, hindi 4,000 na lang.
Tayo mo sa maglalagay?
Okay, guys. So, finally, nakasakay na.
Hindi pa luluwagan.
Medyo scary lang sa pag-boarding, no? Kasi kailangan ng balance. Then, we have a kid, no? Medyo takot yung kid natin. Grabe, iniisip ko lang na nakakapagod to for the bangkero, no? Talagang lang, puhunan nila, lakas ng katawan lang, guys.
So, sisindihan nyo na yung lantern natin, no? Tapos ipapalipad natin. Okay, thank you. Ano? Hi. Ayan guys, so yung mga lantern. Sorry. There you go. So basically, that's the experience here. Riding the boat, no, in Hoi An. Then magpapalipad kayo na lang.
So, we're now here at Madam Lau. Yeah, so medyo affordable yung price niya. Ayun, nakapagod guys. Buti dito may aircon, no? Madam Lau. Ito, rose. So parang dumpling siya na shrimp sa loob. Then ito, ano yan? Skewer. Rolled beer. Pork skewer. Spring roll. So ito yung pho ba? Ayan. Ito yung order natin na shrimp. Okay guys, so let's eat guys. Try muna natin yung white rose. Actually, hindi namin in-order itong white rose, no? Yung white rose is like a dumpling, no? Nila. Hindi namin in-order ito. Sabi na white rice. So, rinig nila white rose. So, parang dumpling siya. Tapos ito naman asawa ko. Sabi niya, nag-order ako white rose. Pero actually, hindi talaga ako nag-order ng white rose. But, it's delicious. I like it. It's actually very affordable here, no? So, yung mga price ng menu nila is around 50, 17K. Considering nasa tourist area, ano. Then, let's try the pho. Siyempre, may beef yung pho natin. Sarap. Then, we also have this skewer. And so, we also have this skewer. Courtesy by my sister.
Wala tinatanggal pa.
Pwede mo rin kainin. Kung kaya niyang ipin mo. So, it tastes like a sausage. Masarap yung skewer, guys. Let's try the banh mi, no? Chicken banh mi, by the way. Sarap. Masarap ng banh mi. Ang tasty ng sauce niya sa loob. I like the banh mi. I think one of the best banh mi that I have ever tasted. Recommended tong restaurant na to. Low-key pa to, guys. So wala pa masyadong tao. Unlike sa mga Michelin na restaurant, no? 5 out of 5 tong restaurant na to para sa akin. And it's affordable. Hey bud, so we finished our dinner, no? And the price is at around 450,000. And this is, marami kaming ulam nun, so I think it's still cheap and affordable. And yeah, So overall, this is 5 out of 5. No? Definitely check this out. No? This is a underrated restaurant.
And that's it mga buds. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something in this video, hit that like button. And if may mga questions kayo, please comment down below. If you still haven't subscribed, I urge you to click that subscribe button. See you again in the next video.